Hi guys, today I am walking you through Dollar Tree, just showing you summer things that I thought were cute for your porch or your home. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell, that way you get notified every time I post a new video. And I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy, and then at the end I'm gonna show you how everything looks at home, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am back from the dollar store. I also went to the Goodwill. I did a quick run over there just because I noticed there was one next to the dollar store. So why not give it a try and see what they have. So what I found in the dollar store was these wine glass, and I thought they were so amazing. I mean, I don't like to pay over $1, especially at the Goodwill, but because each of them say something, it is so cool, I thought. And then the colors that they have, it's amazing. So this one says this on it. I think it says something about, if I tell ya, I'd have tequila. So basically, if I tell you, I have to kill you, or something like that. And then double trouble. And then look at the beautiful color. So each of them were $2, sorry, in the Goodwill. And then I have happiest hour in purple. So I have purple, pink, green, and then this one says, let's see, grab life by the item. Awesome, right? So I thought they were cool. And then I grabbed this from the dollar store, from the Goodwill, and I paid $1.18 for it. I just want to see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead and put my dishes underneath, and then the, like some dishes on top and some underneath, and see if that will help me with space. And in the new section, they had this right here, sweet berry. It tasted, God no, it smelled so amazing. So I was like, you know what, let me take it home. So now moving on to the dollar store, I found so many amazing things. Now I am trying to organize, or pretty much I'm trying to decorate my back porch, and I probably haven't shown it in any of my videos, and excuse me, there's a little mess right now, but this is my porch. I guess like my husband area, and that's his table that he used for grilling. And then this is my table that I just got from, I think it was Facebook Marketplace. I got it for like 50 bucks. And then I put these lights from Walmart. I think I paid like $12.99 each. There's 2 packs right there, and it lights it up pretty nice. So I'm trying to decorate this area, and I'm just gonna show you what I got. All right, so then for that area, So for that area, I got things like this. My husband, I got him this one. It says, barbecue boss, sauce happens, kiss the cook, don't touch my grill. If you can't stand the heat, go get me a drink. So this is like the rules for the barbecue boss, which is, I thought it was so freaking cute. And then I could go ahead and nail it outside. And I'm gonna show you when I put all these out there, how everything looks. And then I have the Hello Summer, Let's Be Mermaids. And the cool thing is that each of them has these things to hang them up. So it's very cool. I have Eyes in Time, and I thought the colors were so nice and bright. And then I have this one that is like beach, sun, party. So freaking cute. So I got those. That's for the back porch. And I also got these things, and I was looking for them to put out there because, wow, we get so many mosquitoes back there, it's not even funny. So I got 2 packs of those, because when you find something in the dollar store, grab it immediately, because you never know if you're going to find it another day. And then I got these. I got 8. I got 8 of these, and I'm going to put it in the front of the house, and I also going to show you how everything looks after I put them. And then I got also these, bear with me. I got these, so cute. So I could put them in the front. So I got that in that color and this one in yellow. And then I got this one, which is so adorable. I just love these colors for summer and spring combination. Is amazing. And this one, oh my God, it's so heavy. All right, so that right there. And actually, I forgot to show you, but this one is for the back also as well. So cute. All right, so I got 8 of these, like I said, and then I got these placemats. I'm gonna put it also in that table back there. I got in green, pink, red, and blue. I just wanna make it multicolored back there. And of course, you could never have enough of these, or you need these. And when it's summertime or any time of the year, you need one of these, or at least more than one. So I bought this lighter. And then I bought this bird food with a bird feeder. So cute. So I could put it out there for these birds. And I thought this was cool, which is a grill oven cleaner. Cleans and degrease, so I could use it in the grill and in the oven. Let's see how that works. I'll let y'all know. And I also got it like this. So if you have tried it, let me know if it works for you. Then I also got my husband this what is it, hamburger patty press, because he wants me to buy ground beef and just make it from scratch. So, and then I got these for the kids, because you can never have enough. They always breaking those. And of course, another one of these wires. And I thought this was so cute, and look, it's little, but it's cute. And I want to use it for the backyard, because when we're back there, then I could go ahead and plug multi things, because I only have one outlet out there. So the struggle is real. And then nails, so I could hang these stuff up. And I bought this little box so I could put nails inside, and any little things that, you know, might pertain, I don't know, and any little things that has to do with nails or whatever, to hang things on the wall. And then I got my cotton swab, which is nothing that has to do with the plan that I'm doing here. And my cotton swabs, bread. These sodas are awesome. Got 2 of those. Kids love the Buddy Bars and the mini donuts. And these I got it for my husband. The classic shortbread is called. I never tried it. I'll give it a try. And then today's my sister's birthday, so I got her one of these. Hooray, it's my birthday. And then I found this. I thought it was cute. You got this. And I'm gonna put it maybe by my makeup vanity. I don't know, somewhere around there. I thought it was cute, so I had to grab it. And I needed a mirror in my makeup vanity, an extra, so I grabbed this one right here. And then my makeup sponge, speed sticks for the boys. And then I never had seen face primer in the dollar store, so I grabbed one. As a matter of fact, I don't even own a face primer because I am not a professional when it comes to makeup, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And then you can never have enough of these because for some weird reason we're always losing these in the house. And then I got hair clips, love it for the summer. And then I have these panty liners, which is awkward, but, and my mascara, because mine got dried up. And this pill organizer, I needed it because sometimes I forget to take my thyroid medication. For those of you who doesn't know, I have hypothyroidism. And these folders, so I could organize all the kids, you know, like appointment papers, you know, when they give referrals and things like that. Then I have this and one for myself because I'm gonna start going to the doctors a lot. All right, so I just wanted to give you an idea of how did I put this all together. So those are the placemats that you have seen me, that I show. And then that's a little seahorse right there. And then I have a little welcome right here. And the Iceland sign right here. And then the Hello Summer and Let's Be Mermaids right there. Now this is not something that I bought in a dollar store, but I got this from Dollar General. It was in clearance, the little the one that says welcome to the cabin. And I put those things, and then I just put nails to hang up these little gadgets that my husband could use on his grill. And pretty much that's it. And now I'm gonna show you in the front. Let me see if those lights in the front are lighted so y'all can see how it looks, all right? All right, so this is it. This is how the outside looks, or lighted up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would like to have you be part of my YouTube channel. And I'll check you out in my next video.